In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in GoToMeeting. Whether you're working from home or just in a setting you would prefer not to showcase, this feature will help you maintain a professional appearance by minimizing distractions during meetings. First, you'll want to start by clicking on Start to begin your meeting. It's always a good idea to make sure your camera and microphone are working perfectly before you dive into the steps. A quick sound and video quality check can save you from potential technical glitches. Plus, a clear connection helps you stay focused on the content of the meeting, rather than grappling with tech issues. After starting your meeting, direct your attention to the icon or tab labeled Backgrounds. This is typically found in the toolbar at the bottom of your GoToMeeting window. Clicking on this will open the menu where you'll find various background options available. This menu is designed to give you more control over your video appearance, so take a moment to explore what's available. Next, you'll want to find and select the option that says Blur Background Filter. Once you click on this option, you'll notice your background effectively fades into a subtle blur, helping to keep the focus on you without any unwanted backgrounds drawing attention away from your presentation or conversation. This option is perfect for ensuring that personal surroundings don't distract others in the meeting. Often, our meeting spaces aren't ideal, and the blur background filter is a quick and simple way to mitigate noise in your visual environment. Remember that while the blur feature does an excellent job at softening the background, it doesn't completely eliminate all details. Thus, it's still important to consider what's around you before starting the meeting. Ensure there's nothing too distracting directly behind you, even with the blur effect turned on. Also, ensure good lighting. With suitable lighting, your video will look sharp even as the background remains subtly out of focus. Finally, keep in mind that the effectiveness of the blur feature can depend on your device's processing capability and internet connection. Ensuring these are up to date and running smoothly can improve the overall experience during your meetings. A strong connection provides a seamless interaction without lagging or freezing, allowing the blur effect to function optimally. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can use GoToMeeting's blur background feature to enhance your video conference professionalism effortlessly. Keep practicing to familiarize yourself with these settings and get the most out of your virtual meetings. Thanks for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.